You can expect a lot from the 2020 Ram 1500 Classic. This four-door, six-passenger truck is ready to drive off the showroom floor. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, heated seats, remote keyless entry, and more. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 well-positioned speakers. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.